and music downloading market. Special priority needs for Ugandans uploading. These musicians, when they do their nice videos, they shouldn't spend 2 days to upload the videos on the platforms where they are commercializing it, because data is expensive, or its internet speeds are so slow. Because markets.
To the industry and to us. My plea today is very simple. I don't want to repeat what my members have already said. My plea is, can the government stop sponsoring some of the disorganization of the industry? We have our wars as the industry, and we promise that we're going to deal with it as equal members and respectful people. But I just plead with the government to stop injecting money into this disorganization, because it's making it even worse. But I do see that there's a problem, and we promise that by the end of this year, we should have sorted it and have one voice. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam President. The promise that issues are going to be sorted among the different forums of the musicians, the federation, the association, and this other small group. That's okay. For the case of government also being part of the problem by supporting the confusion, I think we'll have to understand the depth of that. We'll have to understand the depth, but also advise accordingly that government should support smooth operations of the musicians, fraternities, groups, even if they are. I think that's okay, but we'll have to get into understand the depth, because we will know how to engage with that and if it's there, it's not good for the country. Honorable members and their team from the Uganda Musicians Association and the National Culture Forum, I want to thank you for your time, for coming and for being candid and open to issues that are here.
Cut. Give the president, stand this side, then take over. Chairman, can look Mr. Fina and the rest of
Is she handing over forward to you?
This one cannot be handed over because it's a talent.
Okay.
About basically mu language buli muja ategeera tulese ebizibu byaffe na buli kimu kye twagala government etukolere mu bbaluwa eno gye tupresentinze to the parliament, nabo ne batugamba how far kuba osigwe ogusoose nabo ne batulagira how far gye batuuse mu bino ebintu byaffe naddala ekya copyright kye tubaddeko olwaleero. Yes. Yeah, leero nasabye government erekerawo teekamu essente mu kudisorganizinga industry yaffe kubanga nga bwemukimanyi nti ebaddewo emyaka 7 and more nga tutambuza ekintu kino bulijjo tubadde sinti tebatumanyi batumanyi. We've had several engagements in the parliament, but okuzuuka olunaku lumu n'omanya nti the government is investing billions into a very new entity in the industry, and yet has been here, has been unfacilitated for the last 7 years. Si kirungi. Ffe nga ba artists tuligezaako okwetereza bulijjo, we trying to sit in meetings okwetereza, nate government bweteekamu ssente mu disorganization, there is no way the industry is going to be organized, kubanga omuntu amanya nti nno bwenzija nenwanisa bagenda kunsasula kyagenda okukola, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, kyagenda okukola kikole ki kimuwe ssente. So let us just telling them to stop sponsoring the disorganization in the industry. Yes, look at ababaddewo ebbanga empapula eziteredde, put money into that, because the government has never actually invested in at all. Ezaweebwa federation kuba kati bali mu billions so far ze babawadde. Yes. Yes. Your process weri, we need to sit down as artists to take ebbali amanya nti nze gundi tutule once tulabe can we present our letter together. What tuli mukubuzaabuza abantu bye twogedde kati era bagenda okuddayo bakole ki boogere tewali kipya, because our problems are the same no matter nti oba ono ye munene asembayo oba yasooka oba oli yasembayo, ebizibu byaffe bye bimu. So ffe nga ffe tulina okwesortinga, we work as one team. One team doesn't have to be tuva in one place. Nedda, just as long as tutegeera nti olupapula lwaffe representing ebizibu byaffe, we can work together and then present our problems. Naye eyo journey tukyagiriko nakati. Yeah, there is communication. There's official communication between UMA and the Federation, and we're still trying to resolve our issues. Our issues, muzimanyi, from the beginning even up to now, nti twagala batulage constitution yabwe. Twagala batulage nti what is their federation about, and then fe tulyoke tukole ki tulaba batusobola subscribing kubana kati tunalaba mpapula zaabwe ti federation yaki omulamwa kyeki waje balaga byonna tetunnabirabako, so tusobola kuyingira kintu kye tutategeera, but we'll get to that point. You can also separating Amuyimbi ne Igoye because Igoye ye mufula chali, but what you can do is get artists nga ina obwongo butegeere naffe okumanya nti no Igoye yange wano tegasa okitegeera wano wenzija mu parliament si yenze the king herself nze Cinderella Sanyo Okuyo, because manyi nti no there is no difference nga tutuddawo between me ne Barbara ali mu timu yange nti abafani bange bayinza okuba nga tebamanyi naye omulamwa gwe tutambuza gwe gumu, so the ego is there, but just funa nti omuntu asobola otegeera nti wano ego tejjaawo kankolewo ebirala tusobole okutambuza ki ekintu, but we will deal with that slowly. Yeah, parliament ndowooza egenda tuyamba because zino okuyingira parliament si kyangu, bo we bakuyita ne bakutuuza si muzannyo. That means they're beginning to what? To listen. Kiba kitegeeza nti abanene batanso kiteekamu amaanyi. That's why we're here today. Aye tebatuyise kwogera bwogezi, they also contributed ne batuddamu ne tubeera ne discussion etegerekeka singa bulijjo nti bwe tujjaawo n'olaba nti omuntu si kyaliko, just atuukiriza obudde bwe bamuwadde nti genda oyogere ne music industry. Today has been very productive, so tulina we tutuuse. Kale.
Now I'm 34. Those are many years. I'm going to turn 34 this year. But the only thing I earn from, the only thing I've managed to earn from, to do what I do, to look after my family, to is stage. Even if I'm sick, this makes me feel so bad, but we don't get sick. I go to the hospital, they put a cannula on, and then they drive me to Ginger to perform. I'm crying in the car, going to Ginger, but then I have to snap out of it on a cannula, remove everything, and go on stage and entertain people like I'm okay. But I could have stayed home and recovered as a normal human being because I deserve that too. I'm also human. But I can't do that when aggregators and telecom companies are taking that much percentage of us. Even the 1.8, me, I've never earned a penny of streams. And I'm one of the most streamed artists in Uganda, and I'm saying I've never earned a penny. They talk about contracts. We have bad contracts in the business. Terrible contracts. Contracts before the digital world. Mwami Sebata jira ku border, ngaja mu meetings. Nerera jide ku border. If you can't pick him up or someone goes to pick him up, he's on a border. But this is the man who has dedicated his whole entire life in business. At which time does he retire? At which time does he sit at home to actually not mix with us, the young ones who still have the energy? But he can't retire. He needs to move with us everywhere so that he fights for this right. Because he doesn't have a penny. Because the only way he gets money is on stage. And right now, is Kadonkam selling? No. But are people listening to Kadonkam at home every day? Yes. So, Mwami Sebata has a contract with people before the digital era. And it is still working, even after the digital era. So we have bad contracts. Me, my former manager, made me sign. And I want you to understand, yes, we've been slaves to our talents.
and being ignorant because we are so passionate of our talents. When we are starting this business, we're not thinking about money. We want an audience to entertain. It's born. It's crazy. That's what we want. We want someone to listen to our songs. But as you grow, you realize you're investing a lot. You have a lot of responsibilities. Now people are listening to you. 5 years, 6 years, you're investing in business where you're not getting anything, and now finally you get attention, but you're still not getting anything. So for me, I signed a contract when I was still young, 23. And I was excited. Dimak is taking my music. My manager said, I'm sending you their contract, just sign it. I'm thinking, he said, yeah. Yes, I didn't read through. Why? We don't even have a system that protects a musician in Uganda. We don't have that. We don't have a board that protects us, where we can go to and say, hey guys, I'm being robbed. We don't have it. So we need a body in the state, in the government, that protects us, where we can come into the parliament and say, where is our office? It's right there. Let me go and report. We don't have it. We are there hanging on social media. That's why you're seeing people getting on drugs and dying, and everyone is like, oh, they drink too much, they smoke too much, they use a lot of drugs. No, it's frustration, it's sadness, it's sickness to the core of investing since you're 14 and you're 33, and the only way you can make money is standing on stage physically, which is not sustainable. Because I'm 33, I would want to start a family, but I can't start a family. Because 4 months after starting a family, Carol Kasita was on stage when she's pregnant. The moment she gave birth, she had to come back on stage. We are human. Even normal people take leaves, but we can't even take a leave, but there's someone collecting your money each and every day. I have more than 100 songs. There's someone collecting my money, but I've never earned a penny. That's the unfair that we want to stop. I would want to start a family. Can I start it? No, because I have to be on stage. So we need the parliament and the government to come and help us and enforce these things and destroy all the bad contracts that have been there, and then we restart afresh. Please, I submit. Thank you so much.
Thank you.